Today, I'll be speaking about the importance of instituting a plastic bag ban at the Iowa State University bookstore. This is important for a variety of social and environmental reasons. The first is the risk to our waterways. When plastic bags are improperly disposed of, they can clog drains, culverts, and sewers. This means that in the event of a flood, water doesn't flow the way that it's meant to. And this can lead to an increase in property damage. And in the worst case scenario, it can lead to losses of life. The next problem is the risk to wildlife. Wildlife can mistake plastic for food, they can get tangled up in it, or alternatively, they can eat the plastic, survive, and then get eaten by another animal, and these plastic particles in their system travel up the food chain. And eventually, when we eat those animals, we ingest those plastic particles as well. These particles are known as microplastics, and they have been linked to hormone disruption, respiratory issues, and certain forms of cancers. Now, you might be saying to yourself, I don't eat animals, I'm a vegan, this doesn't affect me. However, it still does. When plastics get into our waterways and the water doesn't flow the way that it is meant to, this can cause soil erosion. We go to an agricultural university, and any agronomist will tell you that our topsoil, that rich layer of topsoil, is the reason why we can grow food so well in the Midwest. When we lose that topsoil, we lose the fertility that is so important to food production. So even if you don't eat animals, it's very important. Furthermore, when plastic is in waterways, this leads to a decrease in water quality. When plastics are left out in the sun, there is a chemical reaction that causes toxic chemicals to be leached out into water and soil. One of these is known as bisphenol A, or BPA, and it is one of those hormone disruptors that were mentioned previously. So for a variety of natural disaster reasons, social reasons, and environmental reasons, it's really important that we consider decreasing our use of single-use plastic at Iowa State. One really easy way to do this is to no longer distribute plastic bags to each student at the beginning of each semester when they order textbooks. This would be a good strategy for the university because the vast majority of students are already carrying book bags, so they don't need those plastic shopping bags. This would be good PR for the university as well because we, as mentioned before, are an agricultural university. We are known for our stewardship of the land and our conservation of natural resources. And so for those reasons, it is highly important and highly advantageous that Iowa State institute this plastic bag ban. Thank you.